5-minute detox, cleanse, repair your kidneys. Maintaining healthy kidneys is vital for overall well-being. These small but mighty organs play a crucial role in regulating hormones that control blood pressure, producing red blood cells, and keeping bones strong. Unfortunately, many common habits can harm our kidneys, such as overusing painkillers, consuming too much salt and processed foods, not drinking enough water, neglecting sleep, eating excessive meat and sugary foods, smoking, and drinking alcohol in excess. To keep your kidneys healthy, it's essential to stay hydrated and incorporate certain juices and foods into your diet. The most critical step to ensuring kidney health is staying hydrated. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins and supports kidney function. Aim to drink plenty of water daily to facilitate the cleansing and healing processes of your kidneys. Beneficial juices for kidney health. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is renowned for its healing properties, especially for urinary tract infections. It prevents bacteria from adhering to the bladder and urethra and helps cleanse the kidneys of excess calcium oxalate, which is the primary cause of kidney stones. Beet juice. Beets and beet juice contain betaine, a beneficial phytochemical with antioxidant properties. Beet juice increases urine acidity, which can prevent the formation of kidney stones. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a miracle cleanser for the kidneys. It helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. Squeeze a quarter to half a lemon into 8 ounces of hot water daily for optimal benefits. Mixed fruit and vegetable juices. Mixing fruits and vegetables in your juice provides a rich source of antioxidants that cleanse the liver and support overall kidney health. Powerful foods and herbs. Ginger and turmeric. These two are like siblings in the world of natural health. They are excellent kidney cleansers, powerful anti-inflammatories, and help eliminate harmful microbes from the body, improving digestion. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root has diuretic properties that increase urine flow and help remove toxins from the kidneys. Celery. Celery, especially its roots and leaves, acts as a natural diuretic, helping to eliminate harmful substances from the body. It also provides vital nutrients like sodium and potassium that promote kidney health. Parsley. Parsley is another great natural diuretic that helps cleanse the kidneys and remove chronic germs. Dandelion root. Dandelion root not only cleanses the kidneys but also soothes any irritation and benefits the liver. Watermelon. Watermelon juice, rich in potassium and 99% water, is an excellent detoxifier that helps flush out toxins. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a powerful detoxifier that cleanses the system and removes stones from the body. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 8 ounces of water and drink it first thing in the morning. Garlic. Garlic is a magical antimicrobial herb that cleanses the kidneys and helps lower blood pressure. However, consume it in moderation as it can be potent. Incorporating these juices and foods into your diet can significantly improve your kidney health. Nourish your body with these natural remedies, and you'll notice increased energy and better overall functioning. Share this valuable information with others and leave your comments to join the conversation. Make it a great day by prioritizing your kidney health.